Hello, everyone. I am so excited to show you the brand new Workscape Analytics interface. Today, I'm going to take you through the basic subscribers workflow and show you around. This is our new sign-in page. You will sign in like usual with your email and password. Now you're looking at our new Workscape. I want to start off by pointing out our left column here of icons. This is called our nav bar, and it's going to show you all of the pages that you have access to as a Workscape subscriber. If you'd like to open these up, you can simply click on the top Workscape logo, and they will expand for you to see what each page has. Showing you our DOT SOC lookup tool. This looks and functions pretty much the same as it used to. You can find whatever you're looking for through these various search boxes. You can also sort these columns to find what you're looking for. What I really want to show you is our RFC checklist. This page looks a lot like our former RFC checklist with a couple of upgrades. First, I want to show you this Close All button. If you click on Close All, the RFC checklist will simplify into the 5 main super categories of ORS. This makes it easier for you to get to certain super categories that you want and find things faster. Instead of having to scroll to find what you're looking for, you can simply open or close all of these and get to exactly what you're looking for faster. I also want you to notice that as I scroll, the calculate button comes with me. So even if I'm way at the bottom of the RFC checklist, the calculate button remains at the top right corner of my page, and so I can click calculate at any moment. So let's start with a simple hypothetical of SVP2 and light. You'll see that it populates up here in the hypothetical 1 box. We're going to go ahead and click calculate and view our jobs page. Our jobs page, again, looks very similar with a couple of new upgrades. Everything is in the same order that it was before, except our checkboxes here have moved to the leftmost column. When you check an SOC code, it will highlight yellow and it will remain highlighted for you to find quickly. I want to show you this feature here with this little filter button right here. If you click on this filter button, you have the option to hide or show various columns on the jobs page. So if you have completely moved away from testifying with any DOT information and you don't need to see that anymore, you can simply check off those DOT boxes and they will be removed from your jobs page. If you want to add them back, simply click here and they have repopulated. Another thing to show you is the default sort is full-time jobs only. However, if you would like to see all jobs, both full-time and part-time, you can toggle here and the page will adjust accordingly. Our very important and useful pop-ups are still located on this page for your convenience. You have our methodology, the datasets, and the ORS definitions that are slightly different from Social Security's definitions. Something that I'm excited to show you about is our search box. Instead of having to sort and sing the ABCs to yourself and find what you're looking for alphabetically, you can type it in here and it will populate exactly what you're looking for. For example, if you want to see all of the clerk jobs, you can type clerk in the search box and it's only going to pull jobs that have, SOC codes or DOT codes that have the word clerk in it. If you're looking for something like cashier, you can search, it will populate. Say you want to find bookkeepers, again, you just start to type it in and it will populate for you. So no more scrolling or hunting for things. You can simply search for it in this box. Now, this next feature I'm very excited to show you about. To do so, I want to point out these breadcrumbs at the top of our page. So at the top right of the page, you'll notice that it's labeling the pages that we came from. That's why they're called breadcrumbs. It's the path that we've taken to get to where we are now. If you want to go back to a previous page, for example, right now we're on the national jobs page. If I want to go back to the RFC checklist, I simply click RFC checklist, and here I am. So this next functionality has to do with our hypotheticals. If we go to hypothetical 2, I can duplicate from number 1 and make my changes. Let's just add a couple of things like fine manipulation occasionally. We'll do gross manipulation occasionally. And maybe we'll add reaching overhead seldom. Click calculate. And our job page, of course, has adjusted to account for these new requirements. Now, something that's really exciting that you can do now is from the jobs page, you can flip from one hypothetical to another as long as it has data. So if we click, we're on hypothetical 2, if we click on hypothetical 1, right then and there, it adjusts back to the hypothetical 1 jobs page. If I want to go back to hypothetical 2, in that 1 second, I'm back on hypothetical 2 and the jobs page reflects it. This also is true for the ORS details page. So I'm going to click on our ORS details page. Right now, it's showing the ORS details for office clerks with the hypothetical number 2. If I wanted to flip back and see what do my numbers look like for this SOC code with the requirements from hypothetical 1, I simply click here and it takes me right back. Very handy. I think that you will find it very useful. And we're very excited to offer that new functionality to you. Okay, I think that's it for our quick tour. Thank you so much for being a Workscape customer. We really love and appreciate you guys and hope that you love the new Workscape interface. Take care.